We're in Schaumburg suburb, west of Chicago, at the Residence Inn. Residence Inn is part of the Marriott chain. It's not so busy, so with the two of us we got a 2-bedroom suite. Okay, bedroom on the left. Pillows have a pillow menu, so you can choose between soft and hard pillows. This one has a little bathroom, shower. Shower heads are phenomenal. There's lots of water power, and you can do lots of fun settings in the shower. You don't see that so often in a hotel. Okay, this is the living room. Isn't that cozy? It has a fireplace, big couch and a big chair. The couch can be converted to a bed. Okay, here is our full kitchen. It's all stainless steel and marble. No, it's granite, sorry. It's a refrigerator, an oven, a dishwasher, a microwave, everything you need. There's also a coffee maker, a toaster, and all the cupboards are filled with pots and pans and silverware, bowls and glasses, cups, whatever we need. This is a room, a little place to do your dinners. Master bedroom, massive art above the bed. The shears, there's shears and there is block-out curtains, so you can really make it dark, or also even sleep during the day. I thought that was very thoughtful. Okay, this is another closet and another bathroom. And another little vanity setting with Paul Mitchell amenities. So everything is very thoughtful. There's no opulent luxury, but everything is very usable and clean. And isn't that the most important things? Thank you, Marriott Residence Inn in Schaumburg.